Hello guys, welcome to the WTV. Today in this video I am going to show you how you can download and install and use VS Code on Windows 10. So what you have to do, you just have to follow along all the steps as I am doing, and you will be done by VS Code in no time. First of all, you have to go to the official website of VS Code. VS Code is absolutely free. There are no charges. I have linked the link of this website in the description, so you can copy paste from there. Once you are on the website, you will be met by three options. Depending upon your operating system, you can download any of them. In my case, I am using Windows 10, so I am going to download the 64-bit Windows 10 version. If you're using 32-bit Windows 10 version, you can download 32-bit Windows 10 version. Okay, I am going to download 64-bit Windows 10 version. So once you click on it, you just have to wait a couple of seconds before the setup starts, and you just have to save the file. In my case, I have just downloaded the software, so to save your time so that video may not get too long, so I am going to skip. You just have to save, click the save, and it will be done. Once you have downloaded the file, you just have to double click the downloaded file and the setup will start. You just have to click the I agree, the term agreement, and now you have to select the folder where you want to download the files. In my case, I don't want to download in the default folder because of some memory problems, so I have already created a folder in my installation directory. I am going to select that. In your case, you don't have to follow these steps, you just have to select the default directory. Okay, now I am going to click next. Yes, now you just, what you have to do, nothing you have to do, you have to just click next, 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 and then install. And then you just have to wait a couple of seconds. It is not that big software. By the way, it's it's best editor for JavaScript, HTML, CSS and whatnot. You can do anything from it. You just have to wait a few seconds and it will be done in no time. Whilst downloading, I will like to say that please like this video and share this video with all your friends who do not know how to download the VS Code. Once it's downloaded, you can just launch the software. Click finish, and now it's been launch the software. So in the next video, I will be showing you what are the best extensions to manage your code in VS Code Studio, so your code may look more prettier. How you can install different themes, and you can install different file icons for you, so that your VS Studio VS Code looks more aesthetic, I can say. So must watch my next video. And that's it for today. I have shown you all the steps you need to download and install VS Code. Like and subscribe this channel. So guys, thank you and bye bye.